There is a little Lizzie lizard.
Wait, let me do something.
Whatever did see me now, I just see man show me. Guys, there's literally a little lizard on my mirror. Well, I'm not up on the mirror, I'm the right at the front. Suppose I'm in a jail today. Look at him, Jamir. Are you guys scared?
No, I want big one. And then massive white one little chicken.
He's not a little chicken, is he? No.
But I just also take care of one. I just need to do.
So would you touch that thing in real life, Jamir? If he wasn't on the window, would you touch him in real life?
No.
Oh my God. Jason, go!
I would not get out the tender.
You were scared.
I was frightened, okay?
Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. So today we're doing a little maintenance vibe, guys. So we're heading on the road. I want to get my nails done, my hair. As you can see, I took out my locks. It was such a tedious process, guys. Javi's around the back. If you ever see Shanice talk about how she gonna do no more locks, wanna beat me because the whole takedown of locks is just not it. So yeah, come along with us on the road today for a little maintenance, nails done, hair done, everything. Guys, Christmas is coming up and I'm looking some Christmas inspired nails. So I'm just gonna look on Pinterest. And I definitely need like oval and stuff. What am I spelling? I can't see anything. Nails. Christmas nail designs. Oh, these are so cute, so festive. I love the Frenchies, like the oval Frenchies with like the red on the tip. So I'm thinking of something like that. A little pizzazz, not too extra. Some probably like this one here. Yeah, I'm thinking something like this without the bows though. Just the red Frenchies with a little white and like some pink or nude base. That one is cute. Let me take a screenshot. Like that one. Let's see what else we can find. These are kind of extravagant. This white is also cute. Oh, this is nice with a little Santa hat. How cute is that? So I'm gonna try and pick one of these and show you guys the end result.
Try to drop in the car with that for driver.
It's scam.
My yard, you're not going to bother with this.
Man, inexperience.
Hold on, I forgot to send Maurice over there to drive it.
Tomorrow, man, the road wide enough.
Yes, but you see, like, with them vehicle, yeah? You go as far as possible to create a greater turning.
Let me hear my phone.
Banana, Lonnie, say hi to the vlog. This is Lonnie, guys. We had to think about some of time.
She said, "Hey, she can't talk with the Sudan anymore. She have 4 and she thinks supposed to talk Sudan."
We both comfort. Suda. I don't come here. Always I come with some things I've never heard in like ages.
Yeah, from the country.
I can't.
So Lonnie, I became a pound long ago.
Lonnie,
you're not gonna just get yours.
Get her off, girl.
You have to get her off, girl.
Yeah, Lonnie's 4 going on 40. Right? She's like the most precocious child I know. I don't know anybody older than Lonnie.
Is that true, Lonnie?
Yeah.
Is that true?
What?
You're 4 going on 40. Huh, Lonnie?
You don't
Lonnie camera shy. Lonnie camera shy with her pacifier. I cannot. wanted. But you nurse them for best. Oh my god. That was dengue time back in the day.
Listen, I never know the dengue could mash up people. So the man has came out do CT scan and but there's something else. So what?
Yeah, dengue was really bad.
It was crazy, but that is just funny. When I look for the situation, but it kind of funny. You know what I mean?
We know what you mean. You can chick VR, zip VR, whatever. That was, well, I didn't have it,
So,
but
man,
I got a
chick
touch of it.
Get it, make one.
That's so boof for your butt. Hey, girl.
Yeah, I just remember my dad do C-sec.
That was how long it was?
Yes, and to do wrap me in one.
That was
when
in
she
youuu.
come with a fever.
Oh my god. That was at you. That was like first year,
second
second year.
I'm a friend. I like help me study like. Guys, I forgot to show you my nails. Look at this.
We got food.
Why?
Got some
What is that?
fries. We got jerk chicken. More jerk chicken. I got some bread because I didn't have any festivals. You want fries? And fries that look skinny though.
You said we have bread?
Yeah.
Let me look at it.
From the jerk shop.
Let me look at it.
Look at it. It's regular bread.
This?
Here. This one is regular bread.
Okay, and this. And which one you want different bread?
You like bread now? You're gonna eat the bread?
I'm gonna take it out and see. Oh,
Jamir, you're gonna eat the bread?
what's it in there?
Nothing is in there. Just bread. It's just bread.
It's normal bread. We'll put it and we have one toaster.
Gonna put it in the toaster, sure. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah, I eat bread when it's in the toaster. Once it comes out, then I eat it.
Alright, give it to me.
I love this chicken.
No problem, baby. This is the jerk chicken.
Dad, why I want
We're
it?
sorry.
But why you come using with me every day? That's me.
You sure? It's not Lion King, it's just Mufasa only.
What's that?
It doesn't have the Lion King, but Jamie want to watch Mufasa.
Oh, cute. King Lion.
Lion King.
Oh, that's Mufasa. I know that Mufasa.
Mufasa. Guys, it is a morning time. Good morning. So today we're still on our maintenance for this Christmas, and this morning we're gonna do some lashes. I hope I'm not too close up in your face, but let's do a little skin appreciation post, right? Because look at the skin. In my opinion, my skin has come a far way. It is literally glowing. It is on its way to being more even, and this is me without anything. I just washed my face and added some moisturizer, and I've been using this new turmeric soap. Let me get the bar for you. So Jason literally just got this turmeric soap at the pop-up shop because there was a second staging of Market at the Lawn. I didn't go because, you know, a girl was under the weather and everything, so he did go, and it is from Nagozi. So it's a turmeric organic bar soap, and it has like shea butter and everything. Like, it makes my face feel so smooth and nice. And then I just topped it off with my Good Molecules moisturizer. So you can check them out on Instagram. I intend to follow them and get some more products. They're all natural, all organic. And guys, let's hear it for the nails. I don't know if I gave you guys like a full view of the nails, because that night at the salon we're just moving so fast and we just wanted to dip. But these are the nails. How cute. It's giving Christmas vibe. It's giving festive. I got a little bow on this one. And it's just so cute. I love it. But may I treat them kind of bad still, because if you know, when you have on these nails and like they're polished, you can't really rough them up. But me a scratch ear, me a squeeze bump, or me look like the tip them start like rub off like to the edge, not really on the nail. But I know better, right? And if I know better, I should do better. So I'm just going to you know, take my time with them. It's just Christmas nails. I plan to take them out next year, but I am trying to see how long I can go with them. So yeah, so now we're gonna do with lashes, guys. I'm gonna look a mirror right here as usual because I don't know how the lash thing go. I don't know how the lash thing go already. I'm going to put in some little clusters because like I love a fusion, you know. I've done fusion like twice in my life. I'm not a hot girl, by the way, so don't come over here expecting hot girl shit. No, this is not the channel. No. So I've done it only twice in my lifetime and it was okay, but because of my allergies I find myself rubbing it all the time, picking it out. One time, the first time I did it, it was like sticking. Oh well, it's 3 times then. Okay, 3, sorry. First time I did it, it really irritated my eyes and it caused a reaction, so I had to take them out. Second time I did it, it was just my allergies and I kept picking it out and then it started look like Dranko jar bricks. I mean, I like that. Third time I did it, I loved it. It was for my birthday, but still I wish I could like just come home and just pop it off. So I was like, this life is not for me. And I know so many talented lash artists that I'd love to support, but I just can't. I can't do it. Like the whole fusion thing is just not for me. So I'm going to show my support in other ways by putting you guys on. So I'm gonna link 3 of my favorite lash artists down below. You can go and check them out. I'll put them right on the screen here. All 3 I've tried before, so I can vouch for them. But as I said, the problem is Shanice, right? It's just not for me. So I'm sticking to clusters. So with clusters now, I can apply them myself. It's not that hard. It takes like 10 minutes or less. And when I get home, if I feel the need to pop them off, I pop them off and go, because my eyes are always running, always puffy, always watering, and it's just not for me. If I could do strip lashes, I would, but what I don't like with strip lashes is the application. To me, it's harder to apply strip lashes. But understand, so you just go like this and pop it on, but it's a lot for me, okay? But I'm not supposed to strip lashes, so I may try that for future. But let me stop the talking, guys. Now we're going to just apply these lashes before the boys get up, because you know that already. So yeah. Guys, let me tell you, this takes some precision and skills. The other day my friend sent me a little video where they literally taped up their eyelids just, you know, you can keep it up and apply the clusters seamlessly. But I'm afraid, so I just use my finger and just do a little lift. But you can use tape to help and hold it up. So yeah, almost done. This eye is finished. And I'm just going in. I think these are longer than usual, but my pack of lashes are almost done, so I may need to re-up. The glue will dry up. But now I move fast enough. I need to get more glue. See, I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna tackle my hair. Ooh, there's a pigeon outside. The boy them did up, them would have run him down. So yeah, I need to tackle my hair next. As you guys know, my hair is all natural underneath this. I just wash it and twist it up. But I need to get somebody to cane it for me, because I can't cane it. I know this already. Thank God I never have girl picnic. I know what I do to them here. So I try to find somebody to do like some canos go back. I know this girl who usually does it for me. I want to say the cano them flat, make the wiggly flat. So I'm trying to get to her. See if you can just do a little, you know, all the way back for me, and then I can go ahead and lay my wig. But in the interim, I'm gonna just drop on a little wig same time and put on a hat or something. So yeah, that's what we're doing next. But let me go ahead and finish this up and see what it's giving. Okay guys, so the lashes are done. How cute. I did a little tweezing of my brows, because you know I never bothered much brows, but we move. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the wig that I'll be installing. So this is the wig. It's actually a 20-inch body wave. I got this from a wonderful vendor a couple months ago, and as you know, your girl has been in her wig bag. Well, not really in the wig bag, but me all the strings or the handles of the wig bag. But your girl will be getting into her wig bag come 2025, so look out for that. So yeah, in the meantime, I have a couple of wigs that I have on hand that I plan to, you know, install, and the wig videos. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, please let me know down below. If you want to learn how to install a wig, I've got you. But unfortunately today I won't be installing this because it's just a little run on the road, come back kind of thing. Maybe tomorrow I'll do like an in-depth install, and I've only worn this wig like 3 times. I think I wore it on vacation. I think I wore it to a match, a football match, and when I just got it, I wore it out somewhere, but it hasn't really gotten a lot of wear, and the quality is amazing. I did a little I couldn't find my flexi rod, so I did a little thing with that bow tie. You know the girl them always I do the little thing with like the hair wrap. I love it. It's one of my favorite. It's like my go-to wig. It's like my little grab and go wig. So if I'm heading out and my hair isn't done, I just grab it and go. Okay. So this is how it's going to look essentially. Hopefully them hump here not too high, and then I just pop a hat over it. And we're good to go. Let me show you guys the back. This is how long it is, and I'm pretty sure I cut it. It was longer, but I'm pretty sure I cut it just so the ends could be a little bit straighter, and you can curl it up, you can flat iron it, you can do whatever you want. Sometimes I like spritz it up and then add like my flexi rods, just so I can get some nice curls. And this hair is very flexible, guys. I won't lie to you. I won't lie. It's lovely. Morning. Morning, pumpkiny, wumpkiny. So you have your shirt back and front, so you're round up here or something? Morning. You wake up so early. My booksy up so early. Some tea. Alright, I'm gonna make this little pumpkin, some tea, and then we're going to basically, what are we doing for the rest of the day? Nothing, because I've done all my maintenance. So you guys saw the nails, the lashes, and the hair, so that should be it, right, Jamir? Yeah. So guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 22. I don't know about you, I'm feeling 22. I hope you guys enjoyed this small maintenance vlog. Let me know if you are in love with the nails, the lashes, and the partial install of the hair, because you know it's not glued on or anything, but this is the way that we're gonna rock this Christmas. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this vlog, and next year should be better, because guys, we always seem to wait last minute to get this stuff done. Like, I don't know why. Shanice never learns. I remember last year did I get my nails done? I think I would have got my nails done last year. I didn't get a chance to do anything else. No hairstyle, no nothing. I waited until after the Christmas season. So if you're like me and you haven't gotten any of your maintenance taken care of, then I'm sorry for you, because dog name your supper. But if you did, go ahead and get all of these things out of the way before the rush, before the holiday madness, and kudos to you, girl. I love that for you. Feel free to share your nail inspos and let me know what you have done, like in terms of maintenance this year, this Christmas. Let me know what your hairstyle is. Yes, my love.
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you. Jamir says he loves my hair. Wait till until it's installed, baby, and bust down. You're gonna love it even more. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 23. It's getting closer and closer to Christmas, guys. Listen, I love that for us. Vlogmas is almost coming to an end. I don't know how to feel about that, but we've made it thus far and we're gonna keep going. So see y'all tomorrow. Bye.